This is the University of Sydney. Yay! We are here actually for the university tour. And madami ang sasali sa university tour. Lirof is just incoming grade 12. Pero yun nga, nag-start na kami maghanap-hanap ng school for him na magugustuhan niya. This is the first one. Ang ganda, no? Maulan lang. Kung hindi maulan, ako, ang dami-dami ko ng photos na makukuha dito. We don't know if he's going to be here kasi iba yung priority niya ng school, but we are hoping that while we bring him here,